hours help keep the dolphins active, healthy, and engaged. The connection that we share with them allows us to learn through our mutual curiosity, and the knowledge that we gain from this can now be used to benefit dolphin species all around the world.
So, what will we discover today? Very soon we'll join the dolphins of Dolphin Island and find out.
Oh, and one last thing. If you find yourself in the first several rows of our auditorium, you are now in our splash zone. And there's a very good chance that you are going to get wet in today's presentation. So if getting wet with salt water is not on the agenda for you today, now is the time for you to make your way to higher and drier ground. With that being said, drummers, back to you.
Marhaba. Hello. I am Wasi, keeper of stories and traditions. Welcome to Dolphin Island. Glad you're here too. There is no other place like this. And what makes it so special? Dolphins, of course. Their endless curiosity, constantly seeking and learning. I sense a deep curiosity in you as well. Like the dolphin, you are eager to explore and make new discoveries. My friends, you have come to the right place. For when dolphins leap through the waves of the open ocean, or when they hunt the seagrass meadows, they connect the many layers of the ocean below and above. Here we celebrate our bond with nature through the rhythms of the sky and sea. So join us on an adventure of discovery. Release your curiosity. Let your creativity flow. on Dolphin Island, our communities pass down the traditions of humans
Bye-bye, winga-winga.
and dolphins.
Ternyata bukan dubbing, suara dia sendiri.
Great, stick with me because we are going to do something really fun, Madeline. You are going to meet one of my very good friends. All right, here she comes. Her name is Callie. Would you like to say hello to her? Okay, stand up right here. Take your hands like this and wave hello. Good girl, Callie. Nice job, Madeline. Now, Callie
Mau di bangku mama?
is mimicking you or
Bangku
fooling
mama?
you. That's one of the many ways the dolphins learn from each other. Would you like to throw her a fish? All right, take that. Toss it right in her mouth. Oh, that's okay. Well, here, take this one. We'll give her a clean one. Great. Toss it in. That's a heavy one. I'll help you. Oh, yeah. Nice job, Madeline. Very good. So that's one of the many ways that we can reward our dolphins. They also like the jello that you saw the trainers giving them, too. Okay, let's ask her for something else. Ready? All right. I want you to take your hands, put them in the air like this, spin around like a ballerina. Check it out, Madeline. She's dancing with you. Nice job.
Muter-muter.
All right, let's see if we got anything else in here for her. All right, here's another one. Take that. Got it? Toss it in. Toss it. Yeah, nice job.
Kurang tinggi
Here's
cecinya.
another. Great. You got the hang of it. Very nice. Now, we have a little problem. Smell your hands. Fishy, huh? Ooh, I know, so gross. I know how to get rid of it, okay? I'm gonna show you. Go like this. Clap your hands together. Rub them fast, 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 and then just wipe it right here on your shirt. Perfect! She's a professional! Much better, right? Nicely done.
Oh,
Well,
dah delfinnya slapen, Lian. Delfinnya slapen.
it is time to say goodbye to Callie. And we're going to do it in a way that only a dolphin can, okay? All right, I want you to watch underwater because this right here is just for you.
Madeline, that was pretty terrific. Did you have fun? Good, I'm glad to hear that. Now, I want to tell you, you did a great job. In fact, you embodied the curiosity of the dolphin so perfectly. I would like to make you a... creativity flow.
Like the dolphin, be curious and stay curious.
And share everything that you've learned with everyone around you. You will never know what you might discover.
That's very true. We hope to see you again very soon back here on Dolphin Island. So long, everyone.
Bye bye.